Do you remember learning about primary and secondary colors at school? Well, then you are already familiar with the color theory. The primary colors are the source of all colors, while the secondary colors are created by combining two primary colors. The combination of these primary and secondary colors form tertiary colors. Altogether, they form a color wheel. We have seen that there are certain color combinations that work well together. So, why do some color combinations looks more compatible than other combinations? Well, there are certain color combinations that are harmonious or pleasing to the eye. These are called color harmonies. These color harmonies and color wheel together forms various compatible color combinations. Now, let us see some of the most common types of color harmonies. Monochromatic, complementary, split complementary, analogous, triadic. The monochromatic color scheme shows different shades and depths of a single color. The colors from this scheme combine perfectly as they are from the same family. The complementary color scheme are the opposite colors on the color wheel. For instance, blue and orange or red and green. Complementary colors are used to exaggerate contrast. The split complementary color schemes is a variation of the complementary color scheme. It uses the base color and two colors adjacent to its complement. The scheme provides contrast and more colors to work with. The analogous color scheme uses color adjacent to each other on the wheel. For instance, the blue and greens. The color scheme is considered as pleasing to the human eye. The triadic color scheme uses three colors that are equally positioned from each other on the color wheel. This color scheme is considered to be one of the best methods while creating a color harmony. Now that you know about the color wheel and color harmony, let us go ahead and learn about the anatomy of color swatch. The anatomy of color swatch include hue, tint, tone and shade. Hue is just another word for color or shade of a color. Hue is also defined as pure color or a mixture of two pure colors. The tinting, toning and shading are the methods of modifying hues. The tint is adding white to the pure hue color. Tinting makes the color more pastel. The shade is a result of mixing a pure hue color with black. A shade is darker than the original color. The tone is a result of mixing a pure color with any grayscale color. The tone is softer than the original color. Using the hue, tint, tone and shade methods, there are no limits to create different shades of colors. Thus, understanding the color harmonies and building various color swatches are the mere starting points to help, guide and inspire you for your projects.